Hello, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd do a video on the tornado pulling a few cars. I think I have 4 cars there, coaches I should say. It's started up a little bit slow. I'm gonna put the cylinder drains on, and we're gonna start it up. Little startup whistle there. One thing I noticed though with my videos, I think it's the same with actually the same complaint that all YouTubers have, and that is about 90% of the people that watch my videos and like my videos, probably more than 90%, haven't subscribed. I'm not complaining because I think that's kind of like the average for every YouTuber. Let's speed this up a little bit. We'll go to maximum speed. I think that's probably the norm for every YouTuber. About 90% of the people don't subscribe to their channel. I would say, like, if I have, let's say, a round number like 250 subscribers, if that's only 10%, 10 times that would be 2,500. Then yeah, that would make a big difference for me. I guess it would make a big difference for every YouTuber. Oh, here we go, it's coming around here. This one pulls pretty good. There's only 4 coaches. I never use rubber tires on any of my locomotives. None of my diesel, none of my steam have rubber tires. I like the metal to metal. Let's slow this one down now. Let me try the long whistle. And this is a short whistle. Okay, let's speed it up again. I just put some water in the boiler, and I think it takes some time for it to warm up to get pretty good smoke volume, but this is not bad actually coming out of the stack. And I'm gonna put the cylinder drains on too. There we go. Now that we're slowing down here, let's go forward. Go at slow speed here. I have a couple other engines like this I'm going to do some videos on. Let's turn off the drain cocks now that we're going to go a little higher speed. I think the other 2 engines I have, they have a flickering firebox. This one just has a cab light. I don't know if you could see it there. There it is. There's the cab light there. It doesn't have the flickering firebox. A couple other of the engines that I have that are similar to this one, I'm going to be running in the next couple weeks, have the flickering firebox. Yeah, in general, I'm happy with this. It's it's only pulling the 4 coaches. I'm sure it could pull a lot more. I just thought I'd put just these ones on for now. we'll have it come around, and then I'll end the video with it going by. This is, let's put up to full speed. There we go. Okay, bye for now. Thanks for watching.